Hi everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to get a line of credit with your debit card using Grain app. Now a lot of you may be wondering, what is Grain? Well, Grain is an app that you can download from your iOS Apple Store. You can also visit trygrain.com to read more information about this company. Grain app is basically a app that helps you get revolving credit based off of your income. It is not based off of your credit score, nor does it have a hard inquiry when trying to get a line of credit from Grain app. Once you're approved, a credit line will be deposited into your checking account. And also, I mentioned that you can download this from the App Store. It is only Apple devices only. So you can download this from your iPhone, your Mac laptop, or your Mac desktop, any Apple devices, your iPad. So if you don't have a iPhone, what you can do is just to sign up is ask a friend or a family, can you use their iPad or their computer that's Apple product, or their iPad that's an Apple device, or or iPhone if you have one around the house. So you don't necessarily need it throughout the period of your credit account, but you just need it to sign up and do the following information to get it started. Basically, so what I'm saying is, even though if you don't have an Apple device, don't let it deter you from trying out this new thing. Find a way. So how it works. So first you'll download the app, which I mentioned. Then you'll connect your primary checking account, which is usually the account that you use, and it also has a debit card and stuff like that. Then you'll get access to a revolving line of credit without it impacting your credit score, because remember I said earlier that it does not do a credit check, it just is based off your income. And then so this is a kind of, think of it as like a virtual line of credit. You're not going to get an actual card with this. So you'll use your regular debit card as you normally would. And then Grain, like there is a line of credit that is there that you will see once it kicks in, and basically works behind the scenes. So it's an everyday thing. So the funds will be deposited into your account. Again, there is no actual crowd card. You just be using your regular debit card that you use, already. And also, this is only available in selected states. So before you go ahead and think that this is available to you, just check out on the website and see if it's available to you with the banks that they have, and also in the selected states. I don't want to go into detail of how many states it's in there, but you can go on trygrain.com and to also figure it out to see if it's available in your area. So I wouldn't be Designer Soapbox if I didn't give you my final thoughts on new things that I put out. As you guys know, that Grain is, if you haven't heard about Grain, most likely you have not. It's very new. So I wanted to give you my final thoughts on stuff like this. So my final thoughts is, I really think that you could use like any other credit card, which is pretty cool. I haven't heard of anything like this, so I think it's a really cool concept. I think it's really cool that they can actually, use your checking account and don't necessarily have to get a new credit card, and it's very easy for us as consumers. If you do get this, my final thoughts on it is just make sure you keep your utilization low, and make sure you pay the balance by the statement date and not the due date, so that you can increase your score even more. That's free credit game right there that I just gave you. Um, I do the same, and it's free credit game right there. So make sure you like this video. Then I really like that I don't like that you have to kind of link your bank account. That's my only concern with this. However, I did read in their agreement that they don't authorize payments without written permission. So I'm kind of, skeptical on that part. Would it be a deal breaker for me? I don't know. It all depends, but I haven't heard any, bad things about this company. But that's just the only thing that I don't like. And and I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to share my concerns with you, and just let you guys know. Even though I'm putting this out there, and making a video about it, this I want to make videos and give you guys information for those that may need it. This may not be for you. This may be for someone else. So this is why I put out certain videos, and this is why I put out stuff I think that's really cool and that can help others with their credit. Just a heads up. So once you connect your bank account and give them your income information, if they feel like you're a risk, then they will ask you for a deposit, similar to like a secured credit card. Usually when you don't have a lot of credit, they'll ask you for a deposit to put up and stuff like that. So just a heads up, some may not get asked for a deposit, but if you just look like a risk, they'll ask you for a deposit. I think the men they'll ask you for $250, $100, something like that. Not too big. And then the APR is 12%. So usually, credit cards APRs are like 25%. If you have a really good credit score, then it's around like 12, 15, even 7. But usually, if you just have like a 600, 500 credit score, it's up to 25, 20. It's in the 20s. So the APR right here is it's pretty good. But it's 12% APR with auto repayment. So just make sure if you want to keep your auto repayment on, you get that 12% APR. So the benefits that I think that are really good for this is that it does report to all 3 credit bureaus. So you will get a credit increase once it reports to all 3, which is fabulous. I feel like anything that you do new, there should be benefits that will benefit you in the long run, and having each account report to each credit bureau is the way to go. You don't want, you just want to keep it all leveled out and making sure that, each credit bureau can get, as many points as possible. You can also ask for a limit increase every 3 to 6 months. So that's pretty cool. A lot of lenders or credit line increases don't do the credit limit increases every 3 to 6 months. I think it's like a year, or if it's it's pretty good. That's pretty good. 2 to 6 months, you can always get a credit limit increase. I'm digging that. And I do also like that it's based off income and not credit score, because a lot of people are may not have a good credit score or may not have any credit score. So they use the factor of the income, which most likely everyone has a job, or has some type of income coming in, because they have a bank account. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool, and I just wanted to give you guys the spiel on the Grain app. So if you found this video beneficial, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Comment down below what you think. And also, I have 2 new social media accounts for you guys to interact with me, and you guys to get updated with everything that I do. Follow me on Instagram at DesignerSoapbox, and follow me on Twitter at SoapboxDesigner. And check out my website. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.